Next up, cause of death, long sleeves got wet while washing the dishes. The meme said cause of death, someone turned on the big overhead lights. And I realized that there are lots of things that I could put on my own death certificate. So here we go. Number one cause of death, had to pay for gas inside.
Okay, my first cause of death is forgetting to silence the group notifications and hearing the million bajillion pings.
I want people to know that I silence group chats not because I don't care about the group chats, but just because I can't do the noises either and the vibing, and it's too much. Next up, cause of death, long sleeves got wet while washing the dishes.
I could go in a couple different routes. 100% so gross. You know what else is nasty when you're washing dishes? Touching the slimy part of the dirty dish. When you're trying to touch the edge of the plate and you hit the food, muskiness, oh, that's my cause of death for sure. That was my.
It was legitimately a perfect segue. All right, well, next up in my cause of death was no headphones at the gym and only had the overhead music of the gym to listen to.
A cause of death for me is walking on wet concrete in flare jeans.
It goes up to your knee. Okay. Cause of death, TV and husband's phone both playing at full volume. I know you can relate.
Okay, cause of death. Trying to take a jacket off while sitting in a car. Bonus points if it's under your butt. Anything like that's stuck and you're trying to take your jacket off in the car and you're just like,
I feel it. Related cause of death, undershirt is too long and misaligned sleeve under the over sweater. No, the seams are misaligned, not the lengths. Like the seam where that should be the bottom and where the top should be is like this.
I've never experienced that.
God. And then if the sweater's over the top and then trying to get them to be where they're supposed to be, or it's like the undershirt gets pulled too far on top of the sweater. So there's like a huge armpit gap in the underneath. Misalignment.
Okay, cause of death. Going to the bathroom in a public restroom, and for whatever reason, water has been splashed back up onto your nethers. This most stressful situation because it's public toilet water on my body. On
One
a very
could argue like an internal part of your body.
Yeah.
I get it. Cause of death, two people talking at once.
Cause of death when I'm on the phone and my dad sees me on my phone but continues to talk to me while I'm on the phone. I was on my list. Shout out, Dad. I love you. Anyway, okay. Cause of death. The stray invisible hair that's tickling my chest that I cannot find. Tickling or scratching?
Fuzz. Just like if you can feel it's just like there's something somewhere and you don't know what it is. Another possible cause of death is that I forgot my emotional support water bottle and my chapstick at home, so I have dry lips and a parched throat.
Cause of death. Oh, this is a big one. One of the biggest, baddest causes of death is eating eggs and then biting into a hard, crunchy part, aka the eggshell. It is the most disgusting thing I could ever think of.
This ties in perfectly with my next two causes of death that I will read back to back. Bit into something soft and felt something hard, or bit into something hard and felt something soft.
God.
Immediate expiration.
My cause of death that's been happening a lot recently is drinking my first cup of coffee at 2 p.m. after it's been reheated about 8 to 10 times. I hate it. Cause of death, answering a FaceTime call while laying down. Just gotta sit up.
I mean, I was already dead before I could even answer it. It was just the FaceTime. Killed me.
Yeah, that too.
Another cause of death, shirt material felt like a napkin.
I thought of you when I wrote this next one because it goes hand in hand. Cause of death is folding dry towels, specifically like the towels that are kind of not soft anymore, with dry hands. With dry hands. I have to stop and grab some lotion.
All right, last but not least, cause of death, walked into a dark room barefoot and stepped on a bug.
Yeah, that's gross. Ooh, just anything on the bottom of my feet, bare feet, stresses me out. Even if it's a crumb. Get it off me. Okay, my last one, besides the wretched poop that I'm smelling right now, it's definitely poop. Trying to hold a coughing fit in public when you have absolutely no water or cough drops. The pure chaos and concern is so bad. Toss me away.
I had to do that once in court, and I thought I was going to give myself an aneurysm.
So bad. Your whole soul leaves your body.
Then I was like having a hard time breathing back in. It's like, okay, all right. I'm gonna let you go deal with your baby poop. And until next week, I love you. Bye.
Love you. Bye.